Today I'll show you how to spray paint a garden flower pot. You can use this technique to paint almost anything. You'll need an item to paint. We'll use a terracotta garden pot, a drop cloth, a microfiber cloth, a safety mask, gloves, goggles, a can of spray paint, and something to hold your project off the work surface, such as these plastic triangles. Work outside or in a well-ventilated area. Cover your work area with a drop cloth to prevent overspray. Wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth to remove dust and dirt. Elevate the pot to keep it from sticking to the work surface after it's painted. Shake the spray paint can before you begin and frequently as you work. Put on your safety mask and goggles before you start. Hold the paint can 10 to 12 inches from the surface. Start spraying just before and end spraying just past your item for a seamless surface. Overlap each pass to get an even coverage and avoid drips. Maintain a smooth sweep as you paint. Apply 2 or 3 light coats. Allow the paint to dry according to the product instructions, anywhere from 20 minutes to 2 hours. Repeat the painting process for the inside of the pot. Now this pretty painted pot is ready to hold a plant, and you're ready to spray paint anything.